Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna. If you're new here, I do makeup reviews, makeup tutorials, skincare, anything beauty related, I got you covered. Today's video, you read from the title, I'm going to be reviewing the new glow stick from e.l.f. from their jellypop collection. They brought back the jellypop collection, which is exciting. They brought back, I think they have a cleanser, a mask, a lip mask, I forgot what else. The thing that caught my attention, if you know me and you watch me, you're probably like, ooh, Anna's definitely gonna get this. Yeah, if you thought that, you were correct. I got the glow stick. And I saw like a couple of like teasers for it, and I saw a couple of swatches, and I was like, I gotta try it. And I have to say, e.l.f. has some of the most beautiful highlighters that I've ever seen. And they're affordable and really nice and beautiful. So I was like, you know what? I don't think this is gonna let me down. So we're gonna find out together. Here it is. I will have timestamps down below. But yeah, let's get started. I'm so excited about this. I'm gonna read you what it says here. It says, this hydrating watermelon infused jelly pop collection uses unique jelly textures to give you a lasting sheer color, dewy skin, and a healthy glow. And on the back it says, do you love dewy skin as much as we do? They said do, like D-E-W. I like it. This watermelon infused hydrating sheer stick gives a subtle luminous glow with a soft hint of color for the ultimate radiant glass skin effect. Directions: dab onto the high points of the face, including the cheekbones, nose bridge, brow bone area. Blend gently with fingers, sponge, or a brush. I use my fingers. Let's cut into swatches, and then we're going to just apply it. Alright, so here we have the Jelly Pop Glow Stick. This thing is amazing. Oh my goodness, I can't even stress it. Alright, I'm going to swatch it here on this part of my palm. Look at that. Like, e.l.f. really did that. Let me put a flash so you can see it too. Guys, e.l.f. did that. This is so beautiful. It's got a clear base, and like the shimmer that we see is, like, I feel like it's going to work on everyone. So, it's gorgeous. So, swatches look beautiful. This highlighter reminds me of another highlighter from a clean beauty brand that I like. It's a little bit pricey. So I think I'm going to be doing a dupe very soon. Just going to say that. Okay, so here it is. This is bigger than I expected it to be. I don't know why I was thinking it was going to be something smaller. I'm not mad at that. So here you go. This, oh, it has a watermelon scent to it, or like a melon. It's very subtle. Now let me just quickly say, I don't really like when things have too much of like a fruity scent. If the smell is too strong, it bothers me. But this is subtle. And look at that. My nail polish almost matches my highlighter. That was a coincidence, I promise. And if you're curious, really quick, this nail polish, it's OPI's Tempura Chore Rising. It was from their Tokyo collection. Alright, so I think I'm going to take it, and I'm just going to hit the high points of my face and see how it applies. Oh, it definitely glides on really smooth. It gives you really, really gorgeous, dewy glow. Look at that. Now, I'm looking at this really close, and this is like the perfect sheer color with, it has the slightest hint of like pink in it, but very, very subtle, like extremely subtle. And as soon as you put contact on your face, it like melts, which is really nice. Let me take that. I'm just going to reapply with my fingers. Yeah, so if you're comfortable working from the bullet to your finger and then to your face, definitely do that. Look at that glow. The more I'm looking at this, the more it's identical to the highlighter I mentioned a few minutes ago. That's so beautiful. That's really beautiful. I take it down the bridge of my nose. Now I like to take highlighter and like load it up and kind of take it to my brow bone. It just gives like this really, really pretty dewy glow. Let's go into some natural light so you can see how gorgeous this is. All right, so now I'm in front of the window and I'm just gonna turn, and you could see the way the light catches the highlighter. It's really pretty. Like, look at that. And then this is the swatch and light. That part, that shiny part on the back of my hand. It's so pretty. Oh my God. Okay. Okay. So I'm sitting there and I'm looking at the light. Well, I'm looking at my face in the light, and I could see like the way it catches my highlight, the glow, the light. Yes, you know what I'm trying to say. Oh my God. This is really nice. It's amazing. Holy moly. This reminds me of one of my expensive highlighters that I recently reviewed that cost me about $45. Not the shade I reviewed, but another one. But then it also reminds me of another highlighter that is like almost identical to it. That's about $38. And this, I think this was $6 or $8. I was not expecting this to be this good. Like, I knew it was going to be good because, like I said, e.l.f.'s highlighters are amazing. But this just blows everything out of the water, and this needs to be permanent, and I hope it's permanent. I hope it's permanent. This is beautiful. If you're like wondering, do you need to get it? Do you need to try it? Yes, go buy it, try it. I think I need to order another one because it's good. It's better than what you think, and the swatches online do not do it justice at all. At all. So this is me telling you, you need to get it. If you like highlighter like I do, and you like a dewy, glossy glow, and you just want to look like juicy, dewy, go buy it. Go buy it. Go buy it right now. Let me know that you bought it, and yeah, we're done. Okay? Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.